we can say for some item there is protection, as we have seen at the beginning. Some item cannot be modified by new user, but normally it's really rare. So we can see that if you take your Miguel, your Anteater account, we'll see on Arthur Timoteo da Costa that there is no protection and you can modify it. You can edit it.
And Eater, wait, because we want the list, it's not famous people that you will edit. So if you wanted, if you're willing, or if you try to modify Donald Trump, won't work. But for Brazilian artists in performing arts, it's fine. Okay, let's have a look at that. When you have that, let's have a look. No. Edit source. Okay. Alien Coelho, age 45, born. Do you see that?
Okay, so I just added a reference to support the date of birth. I found her on Discogs. So I just did that in Wikidata. So maybe that's why that's showing up now.
That's the, I thought that by writing fetch Wikidata equal all that would circumvent that. But the template on Wikidata on Wikipedia in English, I think by default only adds the information that are sourced. But okay. I thought that by using fetch Wikidata equal all that would circumvent that, but it seems that it doesn't. That's why.
Yeah.
So you did the right thing.
Okay. So if it's not showing up in there, it just means we need to put the reference. It does say on her Wikidata that her place of birth was Rio de Janeiro, and there is a reference imported from the Wikimedia project, but that's not showing up on.
No, because it's not using a reference from Wikipedia is not. It's probably not valid into the template algorithm, because you have to use external sources and not Wikipedia sources for Wikidata, because you're like referencing your own reference, which is bad. Don't do that.